What is up, guys? I just got a CTS Turbo kit for A90 Supra, as you can see here, and we're going to unbox it right now. Got some lanyard stickers. This is probably the intake arm. Should be the turbo right here. Alright guys, so this is it. It's out of the box already. We got some hoses, some clamps, some fittings. Got the intake arm. That's probably a O-ring for this part. That's what I'm guessing. Some fitting, gasket, oil line. I'm guessing this is a coolant stuff. And the turbo. It's like OEM style. Oh shit, what's that? That's it. Uses the electronic wastegate. Yeah, I was planning to have this hot side Cerakoted, but yeah, probably not anymore. So removing the AMS intake and turbo kit here. But can you believe that that's bigger turbo than the one in the AMS right now? So I got an extra. This is my stock one. I got my stock turbo here. Go in right there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See ya. Alright, so this is the process on CTS Turbo Kit install. This is basically a little bit identical to the OEM. So yeah, it's pretty much the same as the OE line. The thing is, since this is aftermarket, there's a feed and a return line compared to the OEM, which is they're all on the same spot. Anyway, we have a braided line here, got hard lines here, and we're using the OEM return line. Here it comes with an adapter, and this should be ready to go. However, we need to put a rubber coolant lines here to connect to that piece, which is here. Goes the same on the other side. That's why they provided this line. Yeah, should be easy. Let's go do it. Alright, so the turbo is ready to go. Ready to check if it's tight. The electronic wastegate is on. Return line, coolant line. Check if everything's good. Yeah, no play. It's ready to go. Alright, so quick update with the CTS Turbo kit install. Lines are in, coolant reroute. I mean, it's not a reroute, but it's been modified. So yeah, everything's tight. Coolant, oil return lines are good. Coolant line in the back is good. Just need to put the inlet pipe, charge pipe, and the down pipe. Should be ready to go. We're making progress with the CTS Turbo kit. Pretty much everything done. Down pipe, hooked up. Just need to put some coolant on it and run it.